Have you ever pondered the magic that lights up your matchsticks, or the secret ingredient that makes your garden bloom so vibrantly? The answer lies in a single element: phosphorus. This wondrous element is more than just a spark or a bloom. It's a cornerstone of life as we know it. Its presence is felt in everything from our DNA to the food we eat. So, what makes phosphorus so special? Now, prepare to dive into the 5 wonders of phosphorus that make it an element like no other. Phosphorus, the 15th element on the periodic table, holds a fascination that extends beyond our daily lives. Unveiled in the late 17th century, this radiant element was discovered by alchemist Henrik Brand, who stumbled upon it while attempting to turn metal into gold. Phosphorus emerged as a glowing, ghostly substance, the first element to be discovered since ancient times. But phosphorus isn't just a historical footnote. It's a vital building block for life, playing an essential role in the energy transfer within cells. It's the P in ATP, the molecule that provides energy for almost all life processes. And then there's its mesmerizing ability to glow in the dark, a property known as phosphorescence. This eerie light show is due to the slow release of energy absorbed from light, a phenomenon that's charmed generations. If you've ever oohed and ahed at a firework display, you've admired phosphorus at work. This vibrant element is responsible for the brilliant green and blue hues in fireworks. And finally, phosphorus has a starring role in DNA, forming part of the backbone that holds our genetic code together. So, phosphorus isn't just a component of your matchstick, it's a glowing, life-giving, firework-creating masterpiece of an element. Astounded by the wonders of phosphorus? It's just one element among many that make up our incredible universe. Don't keep this magic to yourself. Share your favorite element in the comments, spread the love of science, and remember to subscribe for more chemistry wonders. Until next time, keep exploring. Hit that like button. If you enjoyed our journey into the world of phosphorus, comment with your favorite element, share this video with your fellow science enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating dives into the realm of chemistry.